You know, talk about scalability. I imagine you talk about scaling up, but you often have to scale down for smaller enterprises. How do you adapt to those different environments? Do you provide the complete solution from the software application for the user right down to the infrastructure? And how does that work?
Yes. Yes, Litum is an end-to-end solution
Hmm.
provider. What this means is we design and build all of our hardware, all of our middleware and software, and we provide a lot of on-site professional services. We
Mm.
also have an in-house factory where we produce all of our hardware, where we manufacture all of our hardware. Again, this is one interesting value proposition of the company. This allows our customers to deal with a single source where they can get a turnkey solution for their deployments. Scalability is very important in this line. It can start with single unit deployments. We just publicly announced a new aftermarket program with Hyster-Yale. Hyster-Yale is one of the world's largest forklift OEMs, and we've been working very closely for the past several years. The aftermarket program allows their dealer network to distribute our collision warning units to their
Mm.
aftermarket fleet. This means that a company owning one or two forklifts can deploy our solution. But then we have enterprise customers where they deploy tens of thousands of forklifts. So this
Mm.
shows how scalable the system is. It can be one or two units, or it can be up to 10,000 units. On the extreme side, we have a lot of experience deploying very large and complex global ultra-wideband based systems. We're probably one of the largest in the market from a volume perspective. One
Mm.
example is, I can't name the customer, but it's a very large financial asset management company, a globally known financial asset management company. We deployed a pandemic safety solution for them a couple of years ago. The system started with a single floor of a building, and then an entire building, and then a region, and then the country, and then globally. At
Wow.
the end of the project, we reached more than 35 buildings, campuses in 4 countries where our system managed up to 70,000 employees and provided safety systems for 70,000 employees. From a scalability perspective in ultra wideband, this is unseen. A typical ultra wideband RTLS deployment is like 500 to 2,000 tags. That's typical. This experience is scaled up to 70,000 tags, which means being able to process that kind of data in real time in multiple buildings in different time zones all over the world. That's what true scalability means, and it's very complex because it's complex in terms of IT structure, data center, the way you manage all these hundreds of billions of data points. So that's as complex a system can get, but it can also be one or two units. That's the beauty. You're not limited with scale.